So, I compared Miro and Boardmix. And here's what I found. They're both designed to help with visual collaboration, but they take very different approaches. Miro is the more established option. It's built around digital whiteboards, so you can create mind maps, brainstorm with your team, plan projects, and organize ideas on a huge shared canvas. There's a lot of flexibility, especially if you're working with a team remotely. Boardmix is more focused on bringing collaboration and communication together in a simpler workspace. It can be useful if you want something that's easier to get into without feeling like you're managing a giant digital whiteboard. But here's the problem. Miro's flexibility can also make it feel overwhelming, especially when you just want to get something done quickly. And with Boardmix, you may find that it doesn't offer the same depth and ecosystem that makes Miro so popular. So, which one should you choose? Pick Miro if you want a powerful visual workspace with lots of tools and room to grow. Boardmix may be worth considering if simplicity and a more streamlined experience are your priorities. Basically, Miro is the safer choice for advanced collaboration, while Boardmix could appeal to users looking for something simpler. Watch out for the feature differences before you make your decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.